I just got off the phone with the the pharmacist, and they covered my prescription for my cream, so I'm excited. I had a really bad flare-up this morning, but my sunscreen is still doing real good. I still don't know what the heck is flaring me up because I was fine last night and I woke up like angry. But I've been using it's so tiny. I wasn't expecting for it to be this small, but it's pretty tiny. I'm on my way to the gym. As you can see, I haven't been in a while, not gonna lie. So I'm going to the gym. I'm uploading a vlog right now. I just finished editing it. So far, so good. I'm a little itchy. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm so excited. I don't have to spend $500. We need vegetables. So we're gonna go get vegetables. I had lunch already, but I forgot to show you. This is crazy.
They smell like candy corn.
This is not Trader Joe's. But look at this candle. What the hell?
They get all...
Yeah. That's fine though, right? It's not too much. Okay. Pumpkin. Oh, and then I do need vanilla because I ran out. Yeah, this one. Here's our bags, but yesterday or a few days ago when I bought Cheetos, I dropped this one on the floor at the parking lot and I didn't know what to do. I know it's like clean, but still, it's gross.
Insert information needed.
I'm currently... Oh. Angles. I'm trying to get good angles, but hold on. Let me see if I can get a better angle from this side. So you can see what I'm doing. No one could see. Basically, I'm doing laundry is what I'm trying to say. I'm doing laundry. I'm doing laundry, but I can't find a good spot for my phone. Finished putting away my laundry, my husband's laundry. I love being a wife, low-key. I'm not gonna lie. Dusted my room because it was really dusty, and then yeah, I'm making another pizza. This time, ooh yay! I'm gonna do a buffalo chicken pizza. I'll show you when it's done. Address, damn it. My medication finally came. She defended real well. I dropped my phone, but look at how huge this thing is. I don't want to show you my delicate information, but that's what they look like. The funny thing is, like, it cleared up already on my back, so I guess I have this for next time. It's out of the oven. It's very hot though. Came out kind of cute. I did it in a heart shape. This is the one that hurts the most, like when it's in my nose. It hurts. And this itches, but I will not itch. Here's my slice, period. My dad, air. Oh, that looks like poop. Oh, put it back in the fridge. It was
some love.
It's Lily's almond dark chocolate with cacao. You think it's good though? Like to eat it right now, or should I fridge it?
Yeah, put it in the fridge so it's nice and
Okay,
let's put it in like that. Well, it's the thought that counts.
Because I just took my medication, the antibiotic, and it low-key gave me heartburn. Got home from a walk with my dogs. I never take my phone with me to walk my dogs. I just like to leave it at home and really enjoy the moment. I only have so many walks with them. So tomorrow I have a Botox appointment, which I'm kind of excited for. I haven't gotten Botox since my wedding, so I very much need it. Oh, these and this. Oh, I need it to be like, I'm hoping she could do like the brow lift. I love when I get the brow lift. It just makes everything look so much better. I don't care. I hate being expressive. Good morning. Get ready for my appointment. I ordered like a little cover for this thing on Amazon, and it was the ugliest thing I've ever seen. So I won't be using it. It supposedly was clear, did not look clear. Yeah, I don't know. So, I don't know. I got allergies. My eyes are itchy, my nose is itchy. Okay. I'll figure out what I'm gonna wear. I can't do it on camera. Okay, I have jeans. And I'm thinking this shirt. But I don't know if I could wear my bagoo with this. This is just like mid. This is the ring that I got from Amazon, but I know if I shove it down, like it's not gonna come out. But here's what I'm wearing for jewelry. Right now my hands aren't swollen, but they'll swell later, don't worry. So vintage, Aura, vintage, Forever 21, I think, and then Amazon. But should I shove it down? I don't know. Oh shit. So here was my outfit that I decided to wear on my way to get Botox. Just a Brandy Melville striped shirt and some jewelry. The drive there was really pretty. I had to not put sound because we were listening to the Strokes and I didn't want to get copyrighted. We got here. I'm nervous. This is my first time coming to this place. It's kind of out of the way, but not too much. This is the place, so if you want to come. This is us before. Are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. They're gonna get my car for you downstairs.
We got goodie bags. That's where we were. They're really nice. I did lip flip and then my forehead. Okay. My mom's driving. But I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is what they gave us for a new patient. Tissue paper. Oh, my bad. A pamphlet. Oh, it's just their pricing. Oh my gosh, sorry. It's just their pricing. Just hold it down here. Oh, I really wanted one of these pens.
Oh, cute.
It's pink. I'm kind of glad. I was gonna steal one. Oh, a little envelope. Skincare moisturizer sample. And a chapstick. You know I love lip stuff. The envelope says, that's really thoughtful actually. What the heck? Sorry, okay. It says, thank you for choosing Derm FX. We are so excited for you to start your aesthetic journey with us. We look forward to seeing you soon. XOXO Derm FX. That's fun. I like it. Very thoughtful. 10 out of 10. Grocery shopping, and I low-key, I want to eat that. I'm at Sam's Club, but it's kind of empty. On tonight's menu, beef liver and turkey. Just kidding, that's for the dogs. We give them beef liver and ground turkey. I did make some pumpkin cookies. These are plain, and then those have chocolate chips. And I'm gonna make a cream cheese frosting on top, I think. Oh, man. Okay, I have a little bit of time to lay down for a little bit. Oh, my legs hurt. I worked out legs at the gym a little bit yesterday. She's laying here. But the cookies are out. I did a poll on Instagram to see if you guys, whoever watches, likes like long format videos, like longer, like 10 to 20 minute vlogs, or do you like little vlogs that are like under 8 minutes? A lot of people said they like longer vlogs, so here I am trying to fill space. So I have today, I did laundry yesterday. I was hoping my ointment would come today because my flare-up wants to flare, but it's like, I swear I took the antibiotics and I felt like my insides were burning. No, I'm being so dramatic. It wasn't like that, but I definitely did get like an upset stomach, and I had a lot of food with it, so there's that. I know a lot of people are really like hesitant about antibiotics and in general with medicine, but I think everyone's like entitled to their own preference. Whatever you want to do, you do you. I'm okay, like I get it, like I get where you're coming from, but I think I'm just so fed up that I really just want to get rid of it, so I am taking the antibiotics. What else? I think that's all I have to say. What am I gonna do? I have to text my husband back. He's at work. Okay, see you later. Also, I was about to go relax, but I asked the nurse. I went to the nurse at Derm FX. Her name was Kimmy, Nurse Kimmy, and I asked her because I think I want to get more filler, not a lot of filler, but I just want to fix my top lip. I realized I film a lot now on my phone and I'm running out of space, so I try to turn and burn these vlogs. Hopefully I don't run out of space, but I think I will end the vlog here. Anyways, I was talking to the nurse Kimmy, and I want to fix my lips because they're one side's a little bit higher than the other. It's just what happens with filler. Over time, they were much more plump when I got them done, and I asked her if like anything needed to be dissolved, so I might get that done for my birthday. I don't know yet. I'll surprise you. How about that? Just kidding. I freed up a bunch of storage by clearing my caches with a lot of my apps and emptying my deleted folders, so I'm good. I will not end the vlog here. I'm gonna go rest now. Dude, I literally took them out and they weren't ready yet. You could see my regret bite. I just took it right there and I was like, oh no, but now they're done. Oh, I ripped that one up into a heart. That's kind of cool. That was awful. That's like my phobia, is undercooked things. My mom and I bought this shower head filter that we're gonna put in the water because I kind of feel like the water irritates my skin. I know, but I really do think, because that's my theory. And it was only $30 on Amazon. Okay, hold on. I'm dropping this. It comes with a lot of things. She's gonna try to install it. I was telling her to wait for my dad. Look at everyone, my mom installed it.
We need a new shower head. Stay tuned.
Okay, turn it on. I'm scared. Stop. Okay. Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh. Wow. Good job. Here's the cookie update. I did a little bit of chocolate drizzle. Yeah, I might have had a bite or two. And then that's a cream cheese frosting. They're really good. So I'm just winding down. Oh my gosh, you can see me in the back. Getting ready for my dogs to go on a walk. I'm low-key kind of tired, but I want to know your guys' thoughts on these shoes. I kind of want them. I just can't justify paying $140 for them. But I feel like I'm gonna end up getting them because my husband's gonna convince me. They're black leather, the Uggs. You see them? With the... Too bad they don't have them in kids, or else I'd just get them in kids. But they literally just look like chanclas, don't you think? I don't know. Anyways, I think that's all I have planned for today. I'm gonna obviously leave my phone for the walk. I hope you enjoyed the vlog today. Or the first 2 days, whatever. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out a schedule. I think I like this day, or this schedule, a little better. So I'll do like 2 vlogs, maybe, or 3. I don't know. But if I upload them like every 2 days, I definitely have more content and they're not so short. And a lot of people do like the longer vlogs, I guess. There's a dog hair in my phone. So let me know what you guys think, if you like this, if you don't. I don't know. I'm having fun making them, and that's all that really matters to me. I'll see you next time. But yeah, bye. Side note, I just wanted to say, I know a lot of people always tell me, like, where do you get your confidence? Why don't you care what people think? I just want to say, like, what helps me is people will oh my gosh, am I okay? I'm like DJing in my brain. Okay, people will always judge you no matter what. I used to try to like make myself seem very like perfect in other people's eyes, and not so much for like their approval, but more for like, I guess, to be perceived in a better place. Regardless, they're always gonna think what they're gonna think. You can't change their mind. If they're gonna hate you, they're gonna hate you. So might as well do like what you want to do. I hope that makes sense. Just, I guess, keep that in mind. Okay, now, goodbye.